Right, if you're looking to make your own game case, like the one shown, what you want to do first is get a few photos in from different positions, upload them into your computer, pick your favourite one, make sure it's nice and sharp, just change the settings a bit to make it look correct. Then export it to Photoshop. And then choose whatever you want to put on it, whatever your game is going to be about. I chose stunt bikes from an event of what I did last summer. Make sure they're nice sharp photos. These are already been edited, so just export them to Photoshop. Yeah, I picked 3 or 4 different ones. Then first you want to cut out with the pen tool around the case, and if your hand's in the way, cut around it like I am now. Right. You want to make a mask. Cut that a little bit too high, so I'm just lowering it down to where the line is so you can still see the PlayStation 4, like that. Now on top of your next layer, do a gradient layer just to get rid of the original game, and then start adding your photos in, which is just a matter of messing around with them until you're happy with where they're placed. I used like the cutout quick select tool to cut these out. Better if you cut them out individual, but I was just doing this for the video. So yeah, just keep swapping them around until you're happy with where they're placed. Make sure you put them all on different layers, and that way you can bring the bikes forward that you want, or put the ones behind that you want. I also, the ones that was further in the background, I put the opacity down a bit to make them look a little bit further away. Yeah, you just keep moving them around till you're happy with where they end up. Once you've done your mask, you can press Alt and just drag it onto another layer like I just did there, and it'll only show the mask then, so you ain't got to cut it out every time. Right, now just went and chose the logo that I wanted to put on there. Same with that, just turn the opacity down a bit as it sticks out too much. Just another logo to make it look like the name of the game. And then I felt it was still a little bit plain in the background, so I chose one more photo to go right over the background. As you can see, just cut it out and turned the opacity down, and now the little bits that covered over the writing I just rubbed out. Yeah, and that's roughly what I ended up with. And there you go.